Animal bites and scratches. The bites and scratches of animals require special precautions and treatments. Aside from pain and wound management, they often become infected due to the mouth flora deposited in the wound. If the skin is broken, all animal bites should be treated promptly and aggressively, assuming bacteria may infect the wound. Animal scratches may not be as deep as wounds, but they often leave jagged, hard to mend cuts that need to be monitored for infection and possible scarring. Signs of a local infection usually occur within 1 to 3 days after the bite or scratch and include swelling, tenderness, redness, warmth, pus, and pain. If the infection becomes systemic, the symptoms may include fever, swollen lymph nodes, headache, and fatigue. At this point, professional help may be necessary.